What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you one API key that's going to give you access to 70 plus free models. That's right. And you'll be able to use all those models right within your Visual Studio Code. So right now you can see I'm in my Visual Studio Code and I have selected MiniMax M3. And if I say hello to it, it says, hello, how can I help you today? Now, if I click here, you can see I have access to GLM 5.2 as well. If I say hi to it, you can see GLM also is replying, hi there, what can I help you with today? Now I can come here and I can also say Kimi. You can see I have access to Kimi K2.6 as well. And if I click on these other models, you can see the list of hundreds of models here. And yeah, we can use many of them which are free to use and which come under one API key. And that API key provider is the NVIDIA. So what you need to do is you need to come to this website build.nvidia.com, and you can see from here, if you click on more models, you can see we have a huge gallery of models here and most of them are free. You can see we have free endpoint to this model card, which means it's free to use. We have GLM 5.2 here. We have MiniMax M3. We have Nematron. We have Nematron 3 Ultra, Nematron 3.5, Mistral, and a lot of other models that you can use using this API key. So next thing you need to do is you need to create an account with this NVIDIA website and you need to generate an API key. So go to this build.nvidia.com/settings/API-keys and here click on this generate API key, give this API key a name and choose the expiration. For example, I choose 1 hour and click on generate key. I get an error. Maybe I need to choose a higher expiration. Yeah, let me just copy it, close it, and let's go back to VS Code. Now here you need to go to your extensions tab and you need to search for NVIDIA NIM. And you'll see this NVIDIA NIM provider. Simply install this extension. Let me just close it up here. And after you have installed the extension, go to this section here on the right top corner and click on this toggle secondary bar. And right here, what you need to do is you need to click on this model and you need to click on this other models. You'll see this cog, or you simply click on this other models. I'm going to click on this cog. And then here you need to click on add model. Now, if you have not installed the NVIDIA extension yet, you won't see this NVIDIA NIM here. After you install the extension, if you still don't see it, close the VS Code once and do the same process again, and you should see this NVIDIA NIM here. Click on it. Now you need to name it something. Let's say NVIDIA NIM 2 for me. And then you need to paste in your API key right here. Then hit enter. I've already done it, so I'm not going to do it again. After that, you'll be able to see all these models that are available via this API key, and you can use any one of them. So if I close this and if I come back here again, let me choose the GLM 5.2 again, and let's say hello. You can see it works. They also have this NVIDIA NIM agent extension as well. I would like you to try this as well and let me know what you think about it. Obviously, these models are not going to be as good as our frontier models. Maybe GLM 5.2, they are saying that it is as good as 4.8, but using this method, it may be slow. So yeah, keep that in mind. So this is it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.